Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again with more information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I'm going to do an update about a situation where it is said that a female motorist tried to escape from the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a high-speed chase between a female motorist and police from within the country that is known as Jamaica. The video shows when a female motorist leads police from within the country of Jamaica on a high-speed chase. The video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica sometime within the year 2022. I did not get any confirmed information as to the exact day when the video had been recorded. It is said that the female motorist drove her motor vehicle away from the police within the country of Jamaica and she was trying to escape the police. However, it is said that the police somehow caught up with the female, and it is said that the female who was driving a motor vehicle somehow damaged a police service vehicle. It is said that the police within the country of Jamaica said that the female has been arrested and charged. I did not get any confirmed information about the charge or charges. And if you, my viewers and subscribers, look and listen to this video carefully, you might recognize some of these locations shown in the video. Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe with me.
License plate number 4051 Hotel Zulu.
Definitely they are high speed chase.
Black Mazda refusing to stop. Did you hear this?
Really, and truly look like the female motorist that try to get away from the police for real, number people.
Right, police emergency and all this on the run. Public order is on pursuit of a black Mazda motor car 4051 Hotel Zulu. Disobey the stop sign and the police come on. Now along Chisholm Avenue.
Listen carefully now. Listen carefully.
Trying to elude the police, driving recklessly.
What makes some people tell you?
Going on to Maxfield now from Chisholm.
Yeah, Maxfield. Listen, listen carefully, my people. Listen. Went back on Chisholm from Maxfield, went into the plaza, U-turn. She's having us round in the plaza. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move!
Don't move, driver!
Don't move!
Driver, don't move! Don't move!
Wait, my God,
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Come out of the vehicle! 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 Get out of the vehicle!
So put yourself in a more problem.
Come out of the vehicle! Come out of the vehicle!
Wait, wind up she wind up the windscreen. What am I going to say?
What the plaza name?
I better she step
Plaza
out.
name? What the plaza name, Ella? What? What plaza? Johnson? Yeah. Along with four other round here.
Well, me just about triple murder up on the radio a while ago.
Take your break there. Right, police emergency. Public order is currently at Johnson's Plaza, Maxfield Avenue. The person tried to elude us, went to the plaza. She was blocked by a civilian and boxed in by the civilian and the service vehicle. The woman reversed into the service vehicle causing damages. She is refusing to come out of the vehicle right now.
Yeah, that?
We're currently at Johnson's Plaza.
Causing damages. She a put herself in a more problem upon problem.
Yeah, come out. Sina, come out. Sina, come out. Oi, come out of the vehicle. Come out of the vehicle.
Yeah, make sure put herself in a more problem upon problem with people. Sign this.
The person in a service vehicle. So you know you're right. You're sick in the head. Yo, have it on video.
Why the female put herself in more problem on top of problem, viewers and subscribers? Why she never comply with the police from the start of the whole situation? Eh? You know me, people. Based on some things that I saw in that video, I can guess that the female got more than one charges from the police within the country of Jamaica. And if she got more than one charges, I think I can guess a few of those charges based on some things that I saw and heard in the video. Eh? If any of you, my viewers and subscribers, want a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted. And in that video, I talked about the same situation where it is said that a female motorist was involved in a high-speed chase with the police from within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think about that video. Alright, now my people, this is an update about a situation where it is said that human remains or human skeletal remains was found at an abandoned building that was being demolished by crew members employed to the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation on the 8th of May the year 2022 within a place that is known as Marant Bay, that's within the parish of St. Thomas, that's within the country of Jamaica. According to information that I got, it is said that the police was notified about the situation and the demolition exercise came to a halt on Sunday the 8th of May the year 2022. Now, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that more skeletal remains had been found at the same location on the 9th of May the year 2022. According to one of those news articles that I read, I got the understanding that the news article said that following the destruction of another room on the building, workmen reportedly came upon another box of remains. I assume that means human remains, viewers and subscribers. You understand? You see? Now, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, don't have a understanding about the situation that happened on Sunday, that would be the 8th of May, the year 2022, where it is said that skeletal remains or human skeletal remains had been found at an abandoned building that was being demolished in St. Thomas, Jamaica. I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and that link will take you to a video that I posted previously, and in that video I talked about the situation. Alright? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that more skeletal remains had been found within the parish that is known as St. Thomas, that's within the country of Jamaica, on the 9th of May, the year 2022, but at a different location from where the building was being demolished. According to a news article that I read, I got the understanding that news article said that the St. Thomas police are probing the discovery of another set of human skeletal remains or human remains at a different location within St. Thomas, Jamaica. I also got the understanding that the news article said that the bones or the human remains were found in the vicinity of the Three Finger Jack monument that is at 12 miles in St. Thomas, Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, what really are going on in Jamaica? Listen again, because there's more to this now, see? The news article also said that the human remains or the bones were found in the area where the decomposing bodies of a male and a female were discovered a few weeks ago. What really are going on in Jamaica? Can you imagine What really a go on? It look like some high search need for go on at St. Thomas. You see? My people, I just some y'all left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?